If you want a quick, simple, yet healthy recipe, this is for you. It's the perfect go-to snack that requires minimal preparation.
Greek yogurt is an excellent source of calcium and probiotics. We also added our very own twist: organic local honey, organic keto sprinkles, our homemade granola, and strawberry jam. We made 2 different cups in this video. For the first one, grab a cup or bowl, decorate the sides with organic local honey, add granola to the bottom. We crumbled these oatmeal bars that we made in our last video. Then we added organic plain Greek yogurt. Topped it off with some honey and granola. In the second one, we added our homemade strawberry jam on the bottom and piped it out all around using a piping bag. We added plain organic Greek yogurt and topped it off with some more strawberry jam and some organic keto sprinkles. This is a great recipe, super delicious, really healthy, and low in calories. The perfect go-to snack that doesn't require much preparation at all. If you decide to make this recipe, we would love for you guys to tag us on Instagram. We love seeing your posts. It really encourages us to keep on going. Also, please let us know in the comments what you would like us to make in the next video. We read and respond to every comment. See you in the next one.
Subscribe, like,
And share!